Hi everyone, my name is Vera. I'm working in Test Pro company. It's bootcamp, and we have student Artyom, who's found great job, QA engineer. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have a few questions for you. Uh, just a little story about yourself, what you did before Test Pro, QA engineer. Little story about yourself.
Sure. So I don't have any IT background. I'm from Ukraine, and I was going to the Kiev National University. I was studying like hotel management. So mostly before like this position, I was working in hotels, restaurants, bars, stadiums, stuff like that. So I knew nothing about IT. I didn't have any knowledge about QA. I kind of found it by accident, thanks to my girlfriend, a lot. So she kind of motivated me, and she found this course, which we have a look first. Then I took it, like the first three, I think it's three lessons you get. We kind of like it. In the first place, I wasn't sure yet, but yeah, I decided like I needed some changes in my life, and I was ready to do like anything. So QA at that point, it was like great option for me. So yeah, of course, it was fun. It was interacting for me. It was 3 months. After that, it took me 3 months to find a job. In total, probably I did about like maybe 7 or 8 interviews altogether. But I was hired from the second interview,
Mhm.
actually, but it took them forever like to get back to me. Yeah, it's also like interesting story because like the guy who was like representing me, he was like a recruiter, I guess. So I had an interview, right? I talked with them. It was super easy. They didn't turn on like the camera or something like that. They didn't ask like
Oh, just without camera?
no
Oh,
cameras. Yeah, it was like pretty like easy interview, and we were like mostly speaking about like their country, soccer, because they are
oh,
from
just like
Spain.
your story, personal story.
Mostly, they did ask like some questions, but I answered like I wasn't like sure about my answers, and you could hear from my voice. Yeah, I wasn't like on the top of this topic.
Mm-hmm.
So it took them like 2 weeks to get back to me. It was
Mm-hmm.
nothing, and I emailed first to this guy, and I was like, "Hey, what's up? Like, how's it going?"
Oh,
The
you
recruiter.
you did first,
I
right? You
did,
sent.
yeah. So I did first, and he was like, "Oh, give me a second." So he called them in 5 minutes. He called me back. He was like, "Oh, you hired. I'm gonna send you the offer."
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I was like, maybe it's a joke or something, because yeah,
Oh,
it seemed kind of like suspicious, you
but
know.
you had just one interview, not like face to face, just one interview on the phone.
So it was first interview on the phone, and second was like face to face, but it was no
Uh-huh.
cameras there. Yeah, guys were
Oh,
like
just.
talking from the homes. It sounded like, because it was like some like kids' voices on the background, stuff like that.
Mm-hmm. Can
So
you
it
tell
was
me?
super chill.
Oh, it's cool. Can you tell me how it was your first test and how you feeling? It's hard, like it's
It's
your
not hard.
first job.
It
It's
is
not.
not hard. No, it's like super. Yeah, it's simple. Everybody can do that. If you like, everybody saying you need to be like detail oriented as much as possible. I know like about myself, I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, yeah, I did it like it's pretty easy. Yeah.
It's
I,
cool.
yeah, and you can learn as you go for sure.
Yeah. Can you tell me how did you find like you have some specific plan for your job or like you had plan or you did
Kind of,
something?
yeah. So many times, I think even in your bootcamp,
Mm-hmm.
your like mentors and teachers, they suggested like you have like, let's say like Excel spreadsheet,
Mm-hmm.
and you keep track of the companies where you applied. So I did
Mm-hmm.
exactly the same. Yeah. So my goal was like at least 30 positions per day, and I was applying like everywhere since it's remotely, and it was like I can move anywhere, or even though like if I don't move somewhere, I can still like get experience from those like interviews, which I would have from my home anyway. So yeah, I was trying to apply like as much as possible. First, it was like, I don't know, I think in total I've had like more than 1,000 applications.
Wow.
Yeah, I think, yeah, I still
That's a
have the
lot.
spreadsheet.
Don't be
I had to,
lazy, just send.
yeah, it took time. Yeah, I had time. Yeah, I think I was lucky because I don't have family here. I live with my girlfriend, so all I had to do is just like keep doing this. Yeah, some
Yeah,
people they still have like jobs and families, might be tough for them. For me, I think I was lucky from this point. But anyway, like you should do I think at least per day like 10. I think it might take like hour or two, but it is what it is. Yeah, again, I'm telling you, I've sent like more than 1,000.
it
I
makes
think like
sense.
yeah, yeah. So yeah, at the end of the day, it works.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me, like now you're working, how you like it? What you feeling?
It's interesting. Everything is super new. Like I said, like I'm not from like computers or IT or anything like that. But again, like it's more about the people than like the programs or things like that. Like if you're nice, if you're like, how do you say, proactive, yeah,
Mhm.
people like it. And like in my case, I think I got lucky because I have like my colleague. She's been working there for like 3 years. So she's basically walking me through like everything. So let's say like at the beginning of the day, I have a call with her, and she's guide me through all these things
She helps.
to be
It's
done.
good.
Yeah. So basically, like right now, I was there for like 3 weeks. I don't have any tickets like assigned to me. She has tickets, and basically what we do all those tickets together.
Together.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
For now.
What you, yeah, it's good. What you recommend for new student or for present student? What you give
Yeah, guys,
advice?
guys who are students right now, be patient in your job search. I've heard some stories like people found some jobs like in less than a week, but it might take a while. Like in my experience, it took a while. It might take even longer, but it is what it is. Yeah. So be patient. Don't give up. Yeah. If you really want to do it, just do it. Yeah. And if you don't know if you're gonna like it or you will like it, I would suggest just take a shot. Yeah, go ahead and do it. If you don't like it, just do something else in your life. That's it.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, well, happy for you. It's good, great news, and I wish you will get more experience and come back to Spro and get automation course we have.
At some
Yeah,
point, at some
yeah.
point, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate it, and see you soon.
Thank you.
Grow up, and it's good. It's good news.
Awesome.
Okay, see you. Bye, guys.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.